Are you curious about AI tools that will help you improve your work and boost your productivity? Because in this video, I'll show you 10 mind-blowing AI tools that will make your life easier and more efficient, and the best part is it's free to use, and also I'll reveal something at the end of the video that you don't know if it really exists, so watch the entire video to see what it is. Okay, the first tool on the list is 10. Speechify. Speechify stands as an AI-powered text-to-speech (TDS) solution designed to enhance your reading and listening efficiency. It possesses the capability to vocalize any text you provide, spanning PDFs, articles, web content, and social media posts. Speechify also offers a range of customizable features to tailor your listening experience, including options to adjust reading speed, voice selection, and background noise settings. This tool proves invaluable for individuals seeking to bolster their reading comprehension, maintain focus, or boost productivity. It can be a valuable resource for those with conditions like dyslexia, ADHD, or other learning disabilities, providing enhanced accessibility to text-based content. 9. Fireflies. Fireflies AI is an AI-powered note-taking solution capable of transcribing, summarizing, and analyzing meetings. It leverages a blend of machine learning and natural language processing to automatically acquire and convert your meetings, subsequently generating summaries and insights that enable you to manage your workload effectively. Here are some of the capabilities offered by Fireflies AI. Fireflies AI automates the transcription and summarization of your meetings, aiding you in staying organized and on top of your tasks. By analyzing meeting transcripts, you can gain valuable insights into your team's discussions. The ability to share meeting transcripts and insights with your team members promotes effective collaboration. Meeting transcripts can be utilized to create presentations and reports, simplifying the communication of key information. For those seeking to boost productivity, Fireflies AI emerges as a compelling choice. It offers user-friendly features, affordability, and the potential to save time and enhance work management efficiency. Plus.ai stands as an AI-powered tool designed to streamline and automate reporting and analytics processes for businesses. It leverages an array of AI models to extract valuable insights from data, generate comprehensive reports, and construct informative dashboards. This robust tool finds versatility across a range of applications, including Plus.ai excels in automating various reporting and analytics functions. It is proficient at deriving meaningful insights from data. Plus.ai aids in the efficient creation of detailed reports and informative dashboards. It contributes to informed decision-making processes. Plus.ai can help businesses streamline operations and reduce costs. Although Plus.ai is currently in the developmental phase, businesses of all sizes have already implemented it to enhance their reporting and analytics capabilities, promising efficiency and insights in these domains. Jasper AI serves as an AI-powered writing assistant, facilitating the swift and effortless creation of top-notch content. It harnesses an array of AI models to generate text, perform language translations, produce various forms of creative content, and offer informative responses to your questions. This potent tool finds utility across a range of purposes, including crafting engaging blog posts and articles, formulating compelling marketing content, conducting language translations, addressing customer inquiries effectively, generating diverse creative content spanning poetry, code, scripts, musical compositions, emails, letters, and more. While Jasper AI remains in the developmental phase, businesses of all sizes have already employed it to enhance their content marketing efforts, streamline customer service, and more. If you seek a means to enhance your content creation endeavors, Jasper AI emerges as a compelling choice. It combines user-friendliness with affordability, offering the potential to elevate your content quality, engage your audience, and contribute to your business objectives. 6. Second Brain AI. Second Brain AI serves as an AI-powered writing companion, enhancing your ability to create superior articles, emails, tweets, messages, and more. It harnesses the DaVinci 003 text model developed by OpenAI to generate and rephrase text effectively. Additionally, it offers text generation based on prompts and facilitates the creation of customized AI tasks. Although still in the developmental phase, Second Brain AI holds the promise of becoming a formidable tool for individuals seeking to elevate their writing skills. Leveraging the DaVinci 003 text model from OpenAI offers the potential to significantly enhance one's writing proficiency. For those in search of a means to refine their writing abilities, Second Brain AI presents an attractive option. It boasts user-friendliness, affordability, and the potential to assist in producing superior articles, emails, and various other forms of content. Don't miss out on our latest videos. Hit that subscribe button now and stand the chance of winning a cookie. Subscribe now. Tome AI is an AI-powered storytelling tool that helps you create and share immersive narratives quickly and easily. It leverages a fusion of machine learning and natural language processing to generate presentations, outlines, and stories with text, images, and other media. Tome AI is easy to use. Just type a description of your desired presentation or story into a text box, and Tome AI will generate it for you. You can then customize the content and style to your liking. Tome AI is a powerful tool that can be used for a variety of purposes, including creating presentations for work or school, writing blog posts or articles, developing marketing materials, pitching ideas to investors, sharing personal stories. Tome AI is still under development, but it is already a valuable tool for anyone who wants to create and share their ideas in a more engaging way. Bric-a-Brac AI stands as an AI-driven application generator, empowering users to fashion web apps, games, and tools devoid of the need for coding expertise. It leverages the advanced natural language processing capabilities of GPT-4 to transform textual descriptions into fully operational web applications equipped with a user-friendly and responsive interface. Bric-a-Brac extends a complimentary plan, enabling users to craft up to 6 apps per month while also offering paid plans commencing at $68 per month. For those in search of a hassle-free approach to web app development, Bric-a-Brac AI emerges as an excellent choice. It combines ease of use with affordability, enabling the creation of a wide array of app types. DALL-E, also referred to as DALL-E 2, stands as a text-to-image diffusion model crafted by OpenAI. Its remarkable capability lies in generating lifelike images based on textual descriptions. For instance, by providing it with a prompt like, "a cat riding a unicycle on a rainbow," DALL-E 2 can conjure an image corresponding to that description. While DALL-E 2 is still in the developmental stages, it has already showcased its potential across various applications, including artistic creation. DALL-E 2 can serve as a tool for producing original artwork, spanning paintings, drawings, and even sculptures. DALL-E 2 proves invaluable in the design process, enabling the creation of novel products such as clothing, furniture, and toys. DALL-E 2 lends its talents to the generation of marketing materials, encompassing posters, flyers, and advertisements. DALL-E 2 can contribute to educational endeavors by crafting illustrative materials, including diagrams and visuals. Despite its ongoing development, DALL-E 2 holds immense promise for a multitude of creative and practical applications. 2. ChatGPT. ChatGPT, developed by OpenAI, is an AI-powered language model capable of producing text that closely resembles human language, driven by context and previous conversations. While it's still in the developmental phase, ChatGPT has already found applications in various areas, including ChatGPT can engage in discussions with people, albeit within certain limitations. It can respond to inquiries, follow instructions, and even craft narratives. ChatGPT possesses the capability to generate text to serve various purposes, including blog articles, crafting marketing content, or summarizing lengthy documents. ChatGPT can proficiently translate text across numerous languages. ChatGPT is equipped to address queries on a diverse array of subjects, spanning science, history, or current events. 1. ClickUp. ClickUp AI represents an AI-driven assistant seamlessly integrated into the ClickUp productivity platform. It stands ready to assist you with an array of tasks which encompass. ClickUp AI excels at crafting text for diverse purposes, be it composing blog posts, fashioning marketing content, or condensing extensive documents. Language. ClickUp AI boasts the ability to seamlessly translate text across a multitude of languages. ClickUp AI is proficient at addressing your inquiries spanning a wide spectrum of topics, whether it's related to project management, productivity, or the intricacies of business. ClickUp AI is a valuable companion for brainstorming innovative concepts, be they for projects, product development, or strategic marketing campaigns. ClickUp AI streamlines lengthy documents into concise and easily digestible formats. While ClickUp AI continues to evolve, it already demonstrates its potential as a robust tool capable of enhancing efficiency and productivity. Thanks for watching. Catch you in the next one. Peace.